And this is Sasha Beaver Hunter. And I, Sasha Beaver Hunter. This took my hat off. Yes, with my human. Put it back on. Oh, now I'm back with my hat. Roar! This is my hat. I am my owner. Got beavers. Oh, that was just me. Now be dead.